Reliable production depends on the health of critical manufacturing equipment. Unexpected failures can disrupt production schedules, increase maintenance costs, and reduce overall equipment effectiveness. This solution helps maintenance and operations teams proactively manage equipment health through AI-driven predictive maintenance. The solution continuously monitors critical manufacturing assets such as tandem presses, gearboxes, motors, conveyors, robotics, and other production equipment. By analyzing sensor data, inspection records, operating conditions, and maintenance history, AI provides a real-time assessment of asset health across the factory. Each asset is continuously evaluated based on its probability of failure and potential operational impact, enabling maintenance teams to prioritize the equipment that presents the highest production risk. But equipment monitoring is only part of the solution. When abnormal operating conditions or inspection findings indicate early signs of degradation, AI recommends the most appropriate maintenance actions before failures occur. The platform also tracks inspection schedules, records maintenance observations, and provides intelligent recommendations for future servicing based on equipment condition rather than fixed maintenance intervals. The solution is fully integrated with predictive procurement capabilities. As maintenance requirements are identified, AI evaluates spare parts availability, forecasts future component demand, and recommends procurement actions to ensure critical parts are available before maintenance activities begin. As equipment conditions evolve, the platform continuously reassesses operational risk, updates maintenance priorities, and identifies opportunities to prevent unplanned downtime through timely maintenance and proactive procurement. This provides maintenance, operations, and procurement teams with a unified view of equipment health, inspection status, maintenance priorities, and spare parts readiness across manufacturing facilities. The AI models can be built using historical maintenance records, inspection reports, sensor data, operational history, and procurement information, and tailored to the organization's manufacturing assets and maintenance strategies. The result is a decision support solution that reduces unplanned downtime, improves maintenance planning, optimizes spare parts availability, extends equipment life, and enables manufacturers to transition from reactive maintenance to predictive, condition-based asset management. Every business challenge is different. Contact us to explore an AI solution tailored to your needs.